Today we're going to prepare black beans in 5 minutes. For that, we're going to need 2 cans of Goya black beans. You could also buy just the uncooked beans and boil them for an hour and then go into the seasoning. Our Spanish seasoning that we're using, some 6 garlic cloves with just a pizca of oregano, and I use the Dominican oregano, that's pure oregano. A little bit of salt. We need cilantro, pumpkin, auyama, onions, green pepper, and my very own homemade sauce, tomato sauce. You could refer to video to see the making of this special sauce. The first thing I do is I heat my pot with some olive oil, and I proceed to add all the other ingredients. The first is the garlic, and this garlic I smashed it with salt and oregano. Always remember to heat up whatever you're doing. Then we add the peppers, green peppers. I like green peppers. So first I put some of these, and I'm gonna leave some for last. So when this cooks, I add the pumpkin, la auyama, and it's not butternut squash. Is the other pumpkin. We let that sizzling, sizzle. And as it sizzles, and I'm seeing there, I might have put too much of the olive oil, so I'm going to take some out. There, we continue to cook that. Sizzling. Add high. And now I proceed to add the sauce little by little. Smells delicious. Delicious. Let it cook for a bit. Cover it. And add our beans. The pumpkin will cook. I'm using 2 cans of beans. So we let that cook. When the pumpkin is tender, now here's our vinegar that we're going to add, and we let all that cook for a while. You know, if I didn't use, it's supposed to be 1 can of bean and 1 can of water. So I'm gonna add just 1 can of water. So this could cook. Ta-da! It's all done. If you don't add if you don't use the pumpkin, it'll be ready in 5 minutes. So if you want it sooner, don't add the pumpkin. But I love the pumpkin. And now my delicious cilantro. I love it. So we pour it in the whole cilantro, and after it's done, we take it out, throw it out. And here is our delicious black beans cooking with Millie style. And your clue to know when they are ready is when the pumpkin is nice and tender. So you get the pumpkin and test it. See? It's still not completely cooked. So we leave it a little bit more. But it's all done. If you want it quicker, don't add the pumpkin. But this one, in 2 minutes, is gonna be done. Thank you for cooking with Millie. If you liked it, press like, the bell, and I see you soon.